Well, in Uganda, I can't only say that inter-party dialogue is difficult, but even party experience is very new. We've not had political party activity at all for over 30 years of the independent time in Uganda.
I've got very high hopes that even the NRM are going to think twice. First of all, I need to cut them some slack because they originally had this idea of inter-party dialogue way back in 2006. It was the other major opposition, the leading opposition party, the FDC, that opposed it.
The main aim of calling that meeting was said, hey, look here. We've been competitors, but we are not adversaries forever. We are competing because we wanted to take power. Now that everything is the dust has settled, let's sit down and as partners in governance, we see how to take the country forward.
We have in Uganda, at the moment, two forms of inter-party dialogue taking place. One is inter-party cooperation, where 4 parties signed a protocol.
We heard recently that political parties instead chose to work in a coalition against the government.
The unique thing about NIMD is the inclusiveness.
What NIMD has done is to try to nudge the parties, held the parties' hands, brought the reality of the consequences of not having dialogue to the parties.
We think that political party dialogue is the way to go. We think it's a positive contribution to the democratization process, and we believe that we shall achieve this because all parties in Uganda, including us, are still in a learning process. But the movement wants to steer that. We are steering that, and that's the reason why we are dealing with Center for Multi-Party Democracy, because its views are more progressive.
You need a mediatory process mediated by somebody who is neutral, preferably and most likely from outside the body politic.
NIMD is promoting a process that is aiming at actually building foundations for democracy. And the aspect of inclusiveness is unique, and we have total embraces at the Democratic Party, and we encourage NIMD to go ahead with this process.
So NIMD is doing so well that it is achieving what many other agencies did not do. What many other agencies probably took for granted that it could never happen. I think it is a very, very, very big success for NIMD to have done that. And I know that I've participated in some discussions with some other agencies in Kampala, and many of them want to come on board the program of NIMD because they can see that it is enabling the government and the opposition parties to talk.